and sawfish with some nice caramel dumpling and some Irish potato, guys. I want to stay tuned for that, guys. I want a epic moment. I just want me there, guys. Success. Success. I come back again, guys. Come link up with Desmond. Epic adventure today, now, guys. Alright, guys. Where I go doing now? Cauliflower. I see the packet there. I already have the saltfish. Yeah, man. Make you go and add some kind of saltfish. So let's go and see it. Wash off, you know? Let's do some saltfish wash off the right and proper way, you know? Yeah, man, that is it, you know? Yeah, man, drop the saltfish in the pot, you know? Yeah, man. That is it, guys. Make the pot come out back, you know? Yeah, man, so let's go and stay tuned, my guys. Epic ackee and saltfish, you know? With some nice cooked dumpling and some Irish potato. Pick our one breadfruit, you know? Drop in our pot, you know? Nice okra knife farm meanwhile, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Nice okra knife farm meanwhile. Some what is for cabbage. That is it, guys. Fresh picking, huh? Yeah, man. I'll get the ackee. Chewing pan here now, guys. Yeah. I done tell us the ackee and saltfish we are cooked today, my guys. You know? Epic moment. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. Drop into the pocket. I'm gonna go get the some cornmeal, chew up on the flour, guys. Yeah, Yeah guys, stay tuned till Desmond finish knead the flour. Then I will get the pot a stir so the dumpling don't stick up.
Not yet.
Yeah guys, just go and stay tuned for the epic moment, you know. Guys, stay tuned till check in back on the pot another time. The Irish potato. Alright guys, I'm gonna clean up the scallion. That's right. Then I'm gonna clean up the pepper. Guys, the vegetable them cut up, you know. Cut up, you know.
Don't know what.
That's the onion, guys. I already cut up the carrot and the cucumber. Tune, guys. Guys, I want purple pepper this. And season them also. Fish. Make sure when the saltfish boil, I go drop on one pepper. Guys, we're gonna get the frying pan put on now so I can get the saltfish fry up and drop in the ackee. Okay, guys. So this man already throw the oil in the pot. Like a whole food type of cooking, you know? So coconut, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man, that is it, you know. So we are going to get the oil at right and proper way. We drop a one pepper in it. Plus we add a little tip of black pepper. Let the black pepper go and burn out. Yeah, man. Pretty jelly, you know. Nice jelly.
And the coconut ain't hard, you know.
Chop off and see how I like it. Thanks this one. Chopping at two cause then say I drink jelly. Chopping at two bad, man, I lie you. Bad. That is it, this one. Saltfish fry up already, it's not guys. Saltfish fry up. You guys, you make sure the saltfish fry out first, you know? Then you have to throw in some of the vegetable in it, you know? Yeah, guys, it's looking so lovely. Ackee and the black pepper. Yeah, guys, stay tuned for all of that. Nice ackee and saltfish, guys, with cornmeal dumpling, and it has some breadfruit and some Irish potato. That wonderful, guys, very nice. Yeah, guys, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my god, guys, it's good. Yeah, guys, food looking lovely, you know. Some of the taste my own now, guys. Don't know, you know. Guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for like, share, and leave a comment. Guys, when you leave, what do you think about this adventure, and hope to see you with another epic bomber. So stay tuned for all of that, guys. I'm out.